Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide all your desktop icons on your Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left side, you want to go to Desktop and Dock. And then on the right side where it says on desktop, you want to go ahead and just uncheck that option, and that will hide the items from appearing on your desktop. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.